Bye.
Gen Z. Oh, bye.
Please hold on. Train is departing. You should listen to and follow your train now. Next stop.
I'm back. I'm checked. Today is 28th of March and my parents think I'm coming on 29th. Pero today talaga para mas okay. Sinong susundo? No other than Ken kasi hindi naman mabaon na maaga si Luis kasi may pasok siya. So yeah, so excited and I'm also hungry and I think it's what time is it now? 5:31. This is it here. Lol, Pani, Perth, tapos Hanoi, and a few days from now we will also go to Hanoi. Hey. Siyempre, joke lang yun. Hindi ko iwanan to. Hi! I'm back. What up? Say hi. Look at that. Let's go. Mainit ah! Okay guys, new update. Ang unang sablay sa aking surprise ngayon is nawawala ni Ken yung parking ticket. So, sana mahanap niya kasi wala na ako pambayad ng parking. Tapos lalakihan pa niya yung bayan. Let's see. He went to the car to check. Babalik kami sa arrivals kasi hindi niya mahanap yung ticket sa car. Galing mo. Ang galing. Guys, nahanap niya sa Starbucks. Where did it fall? Starbucks nga. Oh. Buti na lang, be.
Pero hindi ko alam kung ito yun.
Anong oras ka dumating?
This is the time na
Okay.
dumating nga ako.
Wala mo park,
Wala eh.
plate number?
Wala.
That's fine. We'll see. Mahalaga nakalabas ka. Okay, galing! Nag-taxi na lang ako eh. Tingnan natin kung nag-work. Yes! It's the correct ticket. So, diba naman kami at 6:48 a.m. para may gawing transition video. So, bababa kami and then uwi kami kasi hindi kami pwede umuwi maaga. Hindi masusurprise sila mama. Kawawa naman ng mga persons. Parang ang late na nga natulog tapos ang aga pa namin i-commute. So, content muna tayo. Off muna.
Hi. Siya magic.
Ayan. Iiyak si mama.
Ako din ah. Diyos ko Lord. Oh. Hi. You're so smart. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Wait. Good morning.
Sabi ko, bukas pa ito. Serious.
mo sa tuloy pa?
It's a prank!
Pwede na.
Vector. Where's the chocolate? No. Oh! Customs. Ma'am, pasado na? Is it okay? Good? Oh, flip ng soapy ko. Soapy! Ang laglag!
Parang Seth, pwede ba akong ganon?
Ito, girl!
So, what's up mga katol? Welcome to my Toron vlog. This is one of the series that we used to do, where food tasting and all. So, remember the Toron vlog about the Toron in Palawan? About 750 pesos. So, we're here at Noodle House in City Walk. This, in Philippine pesos, around 690 pesos. So, let's see. Alright, there it is. Look at that. Huh. Crunchy. It's really good. Worth it.
Okay. And then, close. Kayo tayo. Exactly. Then,
Girl.
okay.
Wala ka tali ba?
What's up mga katol? We're having breakfast at Nando's.
Meron ako.
Dubai Mall. Marunong na ah.
Oh.
Kailangan sa Vietnam.
Pakita mo yung picture. Mama, wala kang camera. Wala kang camera.
Galing, di ba? O tapos,
Sana rin siya.
naka-portrait. Oh. Oo ba?
Ah, yeah.
Gen Z! Oh,
Yeah.
Gen Z! Oh,
Yeah.
Gen Z! Oh,
Yeah.
Gen Z! Oh,
Oy!
Upgrade iPhone 16. From iPhone 15 to 16.
Oh, wow.
Yan. Ito.
Ba't ka nanginginig?
No, wala.
May stabilizer yan.